Welcome to Batumi City at the Black Sea coast, the second largest city of Georgia. Today I would like to show you what you can discover in the city. Follow me and learn more. In Batumi, you should not miss visiting of Old Boulevard and fountains that has nice show, especially in the evening times. I highly recommend not to miss. Square. That's an open-air market with nice, lovely stalls and handmade products, and you should not miss the legend of Colchian princess and the Argonauts. Ali and Nino's monument symbolizes love and is a visit card of Batumi City. In Batumi, you definitely have to explore Alphabet Towers. You can take the special tickets here. It costs only 20 lari, and this is something that you should not be missed. The elevator brings us at the top of the tower, from where we will enjoy wonderful views of the city at any time during the day. So we reached the top of the Alphabet Tower. The area has several zones, including restaurants and panoramic viewpoint. Here are wonderful and spectacular views surrounding. Views on the city and the port is just amazing from there. Tower is dedicated to Georgian alphabet. That's unique one, and one of them you can find next to me. The south side you can explore the last symbol of the alphabet. Batumi City is one of the most important strategic cities located at the Black Sea coastline near the Turkish border. You can reach this amazing city with several options: car, train or flight. I personally recommend train experience. From Tbilisi you should expect about 6 hours journey. I highly advise to book tickets in advance. All useful links you can find in our comments below. From Batumi you can easily explore Makhuntseti waterfall, one of the highlights of natural landmark. You can enjoy with diversity of local cuisine, and don't forget to explore King Tamara's bridge nearby. Now let's go outside and explore other areas of the city. One of the highlights of local cuisine in Batumi is definitely Adjarian Khachapuri. That's a type of bread, boat-shaped bread with egg and cheese in it, and it symbolizes sunny weather and boat. So how we can eat this beauty of local cuisine? We are just mixing all the ingredients in the hot boat like that, and take the edge of the bread and enjoy this delicious local cuisine. Now let's continue our adventure to Batumi. One of the best experiences that you definitely have to try during your stay in Georgia is the local seafood market in Batumi that is distinguished with its variety of sea products. The best option what you can try in the fish market is to choose your favorite fish and take it to the local restaurant and prepare it in a most fresh and most budget-friendly way. Local people are also take the fish what they like and they directly take it to the restaurant. They don't order mostly in a restaurant, so they like the process of choosing fish. One of the best options what you can try after taking this fresh fish from the fish market, you can try this restaurant behind me, Balagan restaurant. They are able to prepare your food in most fresh, balanced and budget-friendly way. By the way, there are many agents and the area is quite crowded, so you will definitely have more options to try, but locals are choosing this experience, and let's check and see it together. Quite rich here and full with diversity of options, but the restaurant is specialized on seafood. Our seafood is already done, and this seafood experience looks totally amazing in Batumi. Evening in Batumi, and probably you are thinking what to do. One of the best options what you can try is just walking on Piazza of Batumi. That's one of the center of activities and cultural events. You can enjoy with nice music, enjoy with atmosphere, and have a nice day. Our day in amazing city of Batumi. I hope you find my videos helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next videos.